This week I've added police stations that actually go ahead and solve crimes, which I will show you when they appear. As you can see here, we have an arsonist trying to burn this down, but the police pulls up and stops it all. And that little cube you saw, it slowly shrinks in size. As you can see here, you can watch it slowly become smaller and smaller until the police pulls up. If it doesn't go on time, then that starts burning and you need the fire department. This makes it relatively balanced because at the start of the game you don't really need a police station because there's not much crime. Of course, crime will increase as the city becomes bigger, and will add worse crimes. Like, I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know below in the comment section. Come on, police. For the crime modifier, how about we just go into event manager, which is somewhere here. There it is. Let's go up to variables. Crime flood, crime weighting increases equals to 0, because currently it is none, and I believe this should be an integer. Set weights, for anything that is crime, right? And then arson plus. And in the political questions, which references the game effects, will increase crime. Increase crime. Not will go. Event manager.instance. I didn't make it public, did I? Actually, why am I even putting this in game effects? This is one of the ones that are just kind of straightforward, so I can just directly affect it. So we'll just do crime plus plus. Yep, that's all. Let's make it increase by like 3. So obviously early game it doesn't really matter. And late game this could be a serious problem. But also decreases the chances of everything else. So I'm not so sure. Increase for events. Our event multiplier is equal to plus equals 0.5f, so increases by 50%. Don't have that right now, so let's go ahead and add it. So right now it's 1. Ooh. Increase in rare events, and then where's asteroid strike multiplied by. Seems about right. I don't know what other rare events to add. Asteroid strike is pretty cool. Tornadoes, I don't know how that would work. Nukes, I mean that's basically the same thing, isn't it? Robberies, terrorism, gang wars, that has actually been implemented. Politics have been implemented. Blackout has been implemented. Yeah, that's happened. Ooh, nuke half the city. Difficult scenario. Get an asteroid attack. Asteroid bombing. Asteroid strike. Is it public? Make that public. And then let's do game fix.asteroid bombing, right, which we'll just create, which will just start coroutine. Enumerator. That should be private. Asteroid bombing routine. Let's do 5. Should just do seconds. Let's make the wait 1.5. private event manager. Yep. Asteroid strike. Yes. That would completely ruin your day for a small city, but can't like 5 might be way too much. Yes. Okay. Sure. 1, 2, 3. Just one. Just one. And this is why you test everything. Okay. 3. I'm not sure why it bombed. It's meant to be that, isn't it? Yeah, but then this will just never run. That's just bad code name. I don't understand why it isn't. Is the asteroid strike itself preventing this? Counter 0. I swear down, I fixed this bug. I genuinely remember typing that. That may be the issue, but then it'll just spawn like always there, so I'm not sure. Okay. I can't lie for testing. Let's just make political questions out like an insane weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Added 2 extra zeros. Wait. Oh hell no. The police station is gonna get cooked to itself. Because there's no money to stop it. Yeah. No, that's kind of ironic. This is just peak irony. Irony. Come on, mate, make some money. Yeah, okay, well, this is so fried. Did I set the wrong one to 2k? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I did not add arson. Whoopsies. Oh, at least you know it works. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. Why was there 4? Why was there 4? Okay, so 3. Boom. 2. Boom. 1. Boom. 0. Boom. Because we want greater than 0, not greater than or equal to 0, because there's another peak decoding method. Anyways, yeah, okay, so you saw me add one feature. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.